Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into another Papayas Pulls. It's been a while since we've done a brand new product, but today is another one of those days. Welcome back in. Today we have 2025 Topps Allen and Ginter blaster boxes. These just came out today, and so I'm excited to get into these and see what we've got. I've always kind of liked this set. I've always liked what they do with the product. This time around, focus is messed up again. 350 card base set. Cards numbered 301 to 350 are short prints. They have some exclusive parallels this time with orange, black, red, and more. 48 cards in a pack or in a box, and we are looking for autograph and relic cards, of course, and some also short printed mini cards as well. Exclusive gold bordered mini base cards, I believe, as well. So without further ado, let's just get into this and see what we've got. 2025 Allen and Ginter. If you guys like this product, let me know in the comments if you think that they're cool, if you've gotten into this before. I will be doing some of these on, I think I'm going to be doing some of these on Whatnot this Saturday night. I'm not positive, but that's my plan as of this moment. So without further ado, let's get into 2025 Allen and Ginter. Starting off with Luis Ariz. Hornsby, not Bruce Hornsby. Little Dylan Cruz rookie card. Very nice. Willie Mays. Oh, and we dropped one. A Jim Palmer, Wicked Curves. And we dropped a little mini card. I didn't realize that was going to be in there. And it is Jackie Robinson on the silver. Very nice. We'll leave that one there. All right, pack number 2. Box number 1. I'm going to do 2 of these just to get an idea of what kind of stuff we can get in here. Chipper Jones. Alda Gary on the rookie card. There's a nice one. Nick Kurtz on the rookie from Allen and Ginter. Throw that one up there. Mike Mussina. Oh, so I wonder if we're going to, I guess we'll get a mini in every pack. This time, Blyleven. Is that Bert Blyleven? That is correct. And Rockies win the pennant. Rockies win the pennant. Matt Holliday. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. See what else we got coming up. We've got Shiny. I like Shiny. Mathewson. Christy Mathewson. So far we've gotten pretty much all baseball, haven't we? So there. Luis Angel. No, I'm sorry. Kevin Alcantara. Get my people. Hey, there we go. I like that. James Wood on the Chrome rookie. That's very nice. That's very nice. A couple great rookies on here. Mike Trout, the Allen and Ginter mini card, and Pedro Martinez on the Wicked Curves. And I used to love Pedro Martinez. Also used to be a Red Sox fan, so I guess that makes sense, right? All right, Luke Keyshaw. Sugano. And I haven't been looking at the numbers on the back to see if these are short prints or not. I'll go through those afterward. Henry Aaron. Suter. There's another little guy. Salvi Perez. Looks like a black border to me. And another championship card, Juan Soto for the Nationals. 2019 World Series. All right, 3 packs to go in box number 1. I think these are cool. Matt Shaw on the rookie. Who is Sisler? George Sisler, St. Louis Browns. All right, our first non-baseball card, Jamie Chung, actress. Jamie, let's see, appearance on The Real World into an acting career. Okay, that's cool. All right. Very cool. And another chrome, and that is Bob Gibson for the Cardinals. Nice card. Our mini Salvi Perez again. That one's a base. And Clayton Kershaw, Wicked Curves. Couple packs. Oh, I guess 3 packs left. I was off on mine now. Roberto Clemente, very nice. Ben Rice, rookie. O'Neal Cruz. The Hawk, Andre Dawson. Our mini is Chipper Jones. And a Mark McGwire. 1989. Little surprised that there's not more non-baseball. That's a cool looking card. Cal Ripken Jr. It's low numbered. Brett Lauder. Reggie Jackson. There's another one. Who is... Oh, that's Emma Roberts. It did not look like her. Nice. Corbin Carroll on the different border there. I am colorblind, leave me alone. And Bob Gibson. One last pack. We'll dive into box number 2, and then I'll tell you about all the stuff that's coming up that we have going on. Before we wrap the vid, there's Mason Wynn. Thomas Sagisi, something like that. Roki Sasaki on the rookie. That's nice. Is that Jim Cott? There we go. State birds. New Hampshire's state bird. The purple finch. It's New Hampshire state bird. I was waiting for us to get something like that. And Bruce Sutter. All right, box number 1 down. We'll get into box number 2. We will call it a day. Just wanted to get a glimpse at this and see what it looked like for everybody. I will be doing more videos more often. I have more product coming. I did go almost 2 weeks, I think, in one little stretch there where I was not doing videos, and it was just so much going on. Holiday time, whatever and whatnot. But we'll be getting back in the swing of things and trying to do at least a couple per week. Hai-Sung Kim, Kyle Tucker, Keenan Thompson, very nice. Keenan Thompson, we're going to throw that up here even though it's not really, for now anyway. Reese Hines, there's another Chrome Warren Spahn. And Goose Gossage on the Wicked Curves. Okay. We're all right with this. Jose Altuve. Lawrence Butler. Nice. A boogie with the hoodie. Very, very nice. That's cool. That's a very cool card. Adrian Beltre. We have Rogers Hornsby. That's cool. I like the back of that. That was pretty cool. And Mark Burley. Jeez. Mark Burley, White Sox. Would be cool to see. I don't know if there's numbered cards in this at all. I think it's more of just the color variations on the borders. C.J. Abrams. There we go. There's another good one. Sway Calloway. Staple of hip hop. Juan Soto on the chrome. Very nice. Oh, look at that. That is dinged up terribly on the corner. How in the heck did that even happen? Wow. Cody Bellinger and Steve Carlton. Move this over here. If you have been following my Whatnot streams at all, we've been doing a lot of autographed baseball jerseys. I still have a handful of those left I'm going to try to get rid of this week. Luis Ariz, so keep an eye out for that. Chris Bryant is all over the place this year. I feel like he has more cards this year than he ever has, ever. Chris Sale on the mini. And the Red Sox, David Ortiz. Oops, sorry to bump the camera stand there. Yeah, that corner on this one too. It's just, that's rough. That's really rough. Interesting. I haven't really been paying a ton of attention to see if they're all like that. Yeah, I see the Keenan. Also, maybe it's just this box, I hope. Soler, Chipper Jones. What is this? John Hall. Formed from a cover band in 2016, the country rock group The Red Clay Strays added Hall as its drummer, musician. I've never heard of him or them. And William Fichtner, I've definitely seen him in a bunch of stuff and never knew his name. So there we go. On the chrome. Hey, we got a fish, a rainbow trout. Very nice. We'll put that up front. And Tom Seaver. I don't know. You never know what you're going to get out of this stuff. Allen and Ginter. Crazy, crazy peeps. There's Christy Mathewson. We already got one of his earlier. Mr. Eon. Mr. Eon. Rapper. Do not know of him. Garrett Crochet. Larry Walker. Kyle Schwarber on the dark bordered mini card. And Alec Boehm, the name on the Phillies card. Just a couple packs to go. Yeah, let me know what you think of these. Are you going to get any? Have you gotten any? Sisler, Keyshaw, Chase Dollander on the rookie. Very nice. Put that up here. These corners are still a little sloppy on these. It's just weird. Norby. Pirates. Not anymore, but Brian Hayes. You'd think for as long as this was delayed, they could have put him in his current uniform, but actually these weren't delayed. Barry Zito. A lot of the other stuff had been delayed. The update and stuff was delayed, or whatever. Whatever was delayed. I just know there was a bunch of delays on stuff. But I don't think Allen Ginter, I think this was the original release date for Allen Ginter. Was always supposed to be today. I'm pretty sure. Matt Shaw on the rookie. Big Sean. I know who Big Sean is. That is Agustin Ramirez for the Marlins. Mel Ott. Our final mini, Orlando Cepeda. And Kirby Puckett on the Twins card. So, pretty cool. I mean, it's, you know, you're not into Allen and Ginter to make $1,000. You're in it just because it's kind of a fun product and a fun rip to do. So, we'll see. We'll see what I'm going to do this Saturday night. I've also got some other baseball stuff coming in this week. So it remains to be seen what we're doing on Whatnot on Saturday. But anyway, I want to remind everyone, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. The closer we get to 100 subscribers, the closer we get to being able to give this away, our 2025 Topps Holiday Mega Box. So that is our subscriber giveaway here on the YouTube channel. And that's about it, man. That's all I got for updates. I hope everyone's doing well, and as soon as I get some more product, I will start doing some more videos, and that should be within the next couple of days. So look for another video by the weekend, hopefully. And that's about it. So be kind, be safe, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching.